Hi, I'm Jack, and today I'm going to be reading Scaredy Squirrel. Scaredy Squirrel never leaves his nut tree. He'd rather stay in his safe and familiar tree than risk venturing out into the unknown. The unknown can be a very scary place for squirrels. A few things Scaredy Squirrel is afraid of: tarantulas, poison ivy, green Martians, killer bees, germs, and sharks. So he's perfectly happy to stay right where he is. Advantages of never leaving the tree: great view, plenty of nuts, safe place, no bad things. Disadvantages of never leaving the tree: same old view, same old nuts, same old place. And in Scaredy Squirrel's nut tree, every day in the same everything is predictable. All is under control. Scaredy Squirrel's daily routine: wake up, eat a nut, look at view, eat a nut, look at view, eat a nut, look at view, and go to sleep. But let's say, just for example, that something unexpected did happen. You can rest assured that this squirrel is prepared. A few items in Scaredy Squirrel's emergency kit: a parachute, bug spray, mask and gloves, hard hat, net, band-aids, sardines, and lotion. Weird. What to do in case of an emergency according to Scaredy Squirrel: panic, run, get kit, put on kit, console, exit plan, exit tree if there is absolutely, definitely, truly no other option. Exit plan: exit 1, note to self: watch out for green Martians and killer bees in the sky. Exit 2, note to self: do not land in river. Unavailable, use sardines to distract the sharks. Exit 3, note to self: look out for poison ivy and for tarantulas roaming the ground. Exit 4, note to self: keep in mind that germs are everywhere. With his emergency kit in hand, Scaredy Squirrel watching day after day. He watches until one day, Thursday, 9:37 a.m. A killer bee appears! Scaredy Squirrel jumps into panic, knocking his emergency kit out of the tree. This was not part of the plan. Scaredy Squirrel jumps to catch his kit. He quickly regrets this idea. The parachute is in the kit. But something incredible happens. He starts to glide. Scaredy Squirrel is no ordinary squirrel. He's a flying squirrel. He feels overjoyed, adventurous. Scaredy Squirrel forgets all about the killer bees, not to mention the tarantulas, poison ivy, green Martians, germs, and sharks, until he lands in the bushes. And plays dead. 30 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later. Finally, Scaredy Squirrel realizes that nothing horrible is happening in the unknown today, so he returns to his nut tree. All this excitement has inspired Scaredy Squirrel to make a drastic change to his life. Scaredy Squirrel's new and improved daily routine: wake up, eat a nut, look at view, jump into the unknown, play dead, return home, eat a nut, look at view, eat a nut, look at the view, and go to sleep. P.S. As for the emergency kit, Scaredy Squirrel is in no hurry to pick that up just yet.